Okay, so today we will be changing the halogen bulb license tag lights into what I ordered, which is one of these units. They're LEDs, one whole unit, everything built in, and they should be a lot brighter. Because what happened was, originally I had these separate LEDs like this in here. But what happened was they got really hot and basically just melted off and made like a crazy burning smell in the car. And so I went online, I bought one of these. They came in a set, and hopefully these will do the trick. I will put the link for this item on the bottom, and yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks like after the install. Remove these. Basically, you just put a flathead into this hole and put pressure on it and pull the whole thing down, and it'll look like this on the other side. So it's like a clip, and then you basically just press this and this thing will just snap right off and plug it in. Very simple. And you can immediately tell the difference between the old halogen and the new LED. So there are 6 18 bulbs, individual LED bulbs here, compared to the one halogen. And yeah, I really like the look of LEDs, and this looks great. Like in the other one, and everything seems to be working perfectly. And now just going to shove the wire back in. And then it just clicks into place, just like OEM. There we go. It's flush. Perfect. Perfect on the other side as well. There you go. I'll have a night shot later tonight once the sun sets to give you an idea of how it looks. But yeah, installation was easy and everything fits 100%. Okay, now that it's nighttime, just wanted to show you how the new LED tag lights look like at night. So as we go around, you can start seeing that glow on the bottom. There we go. That looks really good. There we have it. Thanks for watching.